Hello, happy Labor Day coming to you from Pinion Hills. This is an update. Some of you asked me, are you going to process the cow yourself? No, I wish I could. I just don't have the right equipment nor the experience to do this. Barstow Butchering Company has been doing this kind of work for the last 2 decades in this area. They're located in Apple Valley. They're doing great work. I've done work with them before where they processed my last cow and my 500-pound pig, and the work they do is really good. They call me and they ask me how big of a slice you want. They ask me what I want. And they're very helpful. They're great at what they do. So let the pros do what they do best. So here's the guy. Here's the hind. Here's is behind. Just so you know that if you're interested in the meat, you're actually buying from me. And my animals or my cows are grass fed, so you can't go wrong there. So I wanted to just let you know. This is what we do. We raise animals. When I started raising animals and studying the Word of God, the Word of God makes a lot more sense. It becomes lively. So, because if you look at the parable of Jesus or how the Bible used the context of farming, of working in a plantation or raising animals or planting crops, when you read the Bible, it makes a lot more sense. Better yet, when you pray and ask God for revelation, the Word of God will illuminate before you. Therefore, you receive more blessings. So thank you for the follow, and may God richly bless you. Take blessings.